When learning how to play a musical instrument, it's extremely important that you develop all four fingers equally. It's natural that when you're learning, sometimes you want to use the fingers that it's easier for you. But in the long run, that's going to hurt you because you're going to be playing multiple strings, multiple notes at the same time. You want to make sure you have all fingers available at all times. The following exercise is going to help you develop that. Okay, so we're going to use all four frets, all four fingers. We're going to place our thumb right behind the neck, right in the center. We're going to keep our hand pretty relaxed, flexible. And we're going to assign finger number 1 to fret number 1, finger number 2 to fret number 2, finger number 3 to fret number 3, finger number 4 to fret number 4. And we're going to play it in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. With our plucking hand, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using our two fingers, and we're going to be playing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't use just one finger, okay? If you're using a pick, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's get started. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go to the second string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third string. Fourth string. Fifth string. Sixth string. Now we're going to change this up a bit. We're going to use our thumb for the bass notes. Just to give that bass, the thumb, a little workout. Make sure you keep your fingers as close as possible to the fretboard and your knuckles pretty parallel to the fretboard. You can even practice it without playing anything. You can just put your hand right here and just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just look at your fingers. Make sure they're nice and not going all over the place here, okay? So go ahead and practice this exercise.